Create an instant hand cleaning station with the Cortina Safety Products Quick Deploy Hand Cleaning Sanitation Station, available in 3 options. Option 1, the stand and base equipped with 1 dispenser and 1 soap. Option 2, the stand and base equipped with 2 dispensers and 2 soaps. Or option 3, the stand with the base to mount your own dispenser to use with soap or sanitizer. These quick deploy stations are fast and easy to set up in 3 simple steps. Just drop the base over the stand and rest at the bottom. Mount our dispenser or yours using adhesive backing. You can apply adhesive backing to any dispenser. Then you just load the soap and then position the station where needed or necessary, and you're all set to go. If you would like more information about our sanitation stations, please call us at 847-455-2800 or email us in the United States at workzone@cortinaco.com or in Canada at workzonecanada@cortinaco.com.